Hello guys, welcome to my channel Know Your Algorithms, and if this video helps you in some way, please like the video and please subscribe to the channel for such useful videos. Okay, so let's see. uh, Today's problem is longest valid parenthesis. It's a hard problem, and okay, so the problem statement is like we have been given a string of parentheses, opening and closing parentheses, and we have to find the longest valid parenthesis. Now in this case it is 2, this one, and in the second example it is this 4. Okay, also yeah, that is the problem, and there is no edge cases or something like that. If it's empty string, then you can just return 0. Okay, now so there are I have written the code in Python, and you can find C++ code in the description below, or there's a link at GitHub. Okay, so there are two approaches uh, to solving this problem. There's an order of n cube solution, and there is order of n. So first we will discuss order of n cube. So basically in this approach we will see all the substrings, and like all the substrings. So first this one, then this one, and then like you get the idea, right? So we'll see all the substrings. This is the code for that. Now this is the code for all to obtain all the substring, and then we will check if the current substring is a valid string or a very valid parenthesis or not. So basically this problem div- divides or leads us to this valid parenthesis. Now we don't need this two ifs because there is no curly or square bracket. So basically this is the operation we can do on each substring, and if we find that it is a valid parenthesis, then we can update the answer's length by answer or max of answer, or j minus I plus 1. This is the length of the substring. Now the problem with this approach, again, as you can see, is it's order of n cube, because there are order of n squares substring, and for each substring we will iterate through the whole substring once, so it makes it order of n cube. Now so it will not pass the time complexity, so we need a better approach. Now now the next is linear solution, order of n. In this also we are using a stack, but in a better way. We are pushing the indexes of the parenthesis, opening parenthesis. So basically first we will push the -1, because you can see that there can be a situation where whole string is valid parenthesis. So in that case -1 will be helpful, right? Now okay, so we will append -1, and then if the current index character is opening parenthesis, then we'll push its index to the stack, and if it is closing parenthesis, then we'll pop the topmost element, and then then this is just to ensure that the operation we are doing on the stack, that stack is not empty. If it is empty, then we can run into a runtime error. So to avoid that, we are just using this if condition. So if m is 0, then we'll just append the topmost or we will just push the index to the stack. If it is not, then we can update the answer, that is answer or max of answer or I minus stack m minus 1. This is the last element basically of the stack. Okay, so while we are doing this, because we know that from this is the closing parenthesis, and from this to the last or to the top most index, the whole substring is a valid parenthesis. Okay, right. Yeah, so that's it, and we just return the answer. Okay, let's run the code. Okay, indentation error, line 52 is 52. Okay. Is it? There is. Okay. Come on. Okay, let me just do this. 1 second. Okay, so let's run the code. I'll remove the order of n cube. I will do it after the submit. Okay, so it is got accepted, and yeah, that's it. So you can find the code of Python as well as the C++ in my GitHub repository, and or okay, so it's called Git. So okay, so thank you for watching the video, and please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thank you.